Welcome to the Philips Smart Experience, the first European smart TV powered by Android, with Google services, cloud TV channels and more movies, games and apps than ever before. You can find programs quickly and easily, all while watching television. Access your favorite games from Google Play or Smart TV. And what's more, our smart TVs also speak your language. With gesture control, you can select volume levels and channels. Voice search lets you speak into your remote or smartphone. Or simply use the QWERTY keyboard. Control your TV from your smart device. And set programs to record, share photos or videos from your smart device onto the TV screen, and vice versa. What's more, you can watch TV while recording another program at the same time. Welcome to the Philips Smart Experience. Innovation and you. Philips.